How long did it take you to learn to drive, being a monk, you know? Took me 6 months. No minors. Ow! 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 Wagwan farm, I'm King Ross, and I am going to shoot some guns like a bad motherfucker. I'm joined by my good pal Primate and his verbal representative, the hottest, sweatiest man. Yes? Hottest, sweatiest? Yes?
Hottest, maybe not sweatiest.
James R. Kennedy. Let's go, boys. Come on, on.
Let's do this. Come on. Man, I can't believe this. What kind of country is this? You can buy a machete in Walmart, but they won't let the primate shoot a rifle. They see a couple of YouTube clips, and all of a sudden, they get ideas above their station. This is ridiculous. You're gonna clip it up, and then right over here, sir, you have your switches. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push that forward, bend it down.
Will they shoot?
No, they pull it right in here.
Oh,
I bring that head down.
Oh, God.
My right eye looks through there. There you go. Try to do me a favor. Take your feet, and I want you to get them over your shoulders. So kind of square up a little bit. Bend your knees. Lean forwards. There you go. Very good. You're going to rotate the weapon around, and you're going to insert the magazine. Excellent. Now, with our thumb, we got to press that paddle right there. Push it straight in. There you go. You're going to grab onto the front end, stalk into the shoulder, get a nice strong stance. Now, just keep in mind, guys, this is going to be very loud. Just be ready for it. What you're going to do, sir, is you're going to flip that safety down to fire mode. Yep. Go ahead and flick it. Yep. And you have 3 shots, okay? Just get ready for a little bit of recoil. There you go. Not bad.
Improving.
Yep.
I'm a badass mother flipper. Oh, look at this. Pretend that little red bit there's Jack. Got him twice in the head. Look at that, Primate. How good am I? Oh, cameras, come on now. Look at this. Ah!